Everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing really well, and in today's video I thought I'd do like a little sit down chatty video because I've not done one in a very long time. Joining you with the bare face, you know, that haven't done this in a long time. I look so pale and ghostly, so I'm gonna put a face on and then I need to do my hair, get ready. I'm actually going shopping today and then going for food and drinks, so I've got a great Saturday planned. I asked you on my Instagram to ask me some questions for like a little catch up, and you came through, so I will be answering them throughout the video. But without further ado, please make sure you do hit that subscribe button down below, like, comment, and let's get into the video. I've not filmed one of these in such a long time, and it's definitely reminded me how much preparation it takes to film one of these, like the setup. I've got a drawer pulled out with my mirror on it, I've got my brushes back here because I didn't know what to do, and I've got my full face all on my bed. Like, it's a hot mess. I'm pretty sure the last time I did one of these was like around Christmas time maybe. It might even be this time last year, which if it is, that's a very long time. Anyone else's eyebrows like way too thin to have soap brows. Also, this soap, well, all the soaps that I use have made my eyebrows really crusty. I had to have a break from it for a few days. Oops, sorry. I had to have a break for a few days from the soap brows because my eyebrows were like extremely dry. It was kind of gross. It's nice with you when we're in company. When you wipe your tears, you wipe them just for me. Not going to do much of a face today, no fake eyelashes, although I might do like a little winged liner moment because I just feel like it makes me look so much more put together. So the first question is from the lovely Fiona Coles here on YouTube. I'll link her channel down below because she's like, her channel is so good. She's a loveliest girl and her videos are like kind of like Gemma Louise Miles vibes, so I'll link her below. Asked, how are you doing at the moment, which is such a nice question. I'm actually doing okay. I feel like I'm just bobbing along through life at the moment till I have my next holiday. It's really bad, but it's like the only thing I live for, going on holiday. I do actually have a holiday in December, so I'll be counting down the days for that. Apart from that, I'm actually doing okay. Work's going really well. I've got so many plans, like I'm doing something all the time, so I can't complain that I'm bored. This month is full of activities and I'm buzzing. I've also been invited to a Halloween party. Unpopular opinion, I'm not that big of a fan of dressing up for Halloween. I just think it's way too stressful, to be honest. I love looking at other people's outfits, but when it comes to me, I'm not great at dressing up because I just go for the easiest and the cheapest option. Yeah, I'm doing pretty well. Kind of lacking motivation for YouTube at the moment. I'm finding it very difficult to ideas. I don't know, I just feel like I'm in a bit of a rut, especially with like being so busy now at the weekends and things. I actually can't think of what to film, and also when I'm broke I literally cannot film because all of my videos involve spending money really. I don't know what's happened here. So yeah, if you've got any video ideas, please let me know. It would be much appreciated. I have got a few, but it's like, I don't know, it's just when I'm actually going to film them, I don't know. I really want to start doing food videos, but I don't know if people actually want to watch me eat food. So yeah, let me know if you've got any suggestions, please. This is like the same eyeshadow look that I do all the bloody time. Also, whilst I have answered Fiona's question, I would just like to show you a purchase that she's made me buy recently. She's also a big fan of Christmas, as am I. Look at this mug. If this isn't the cutest mug you've ever seen in your whole entire life, then I don't know what is. It's from Asda. It was only £3, and I'm sorry if you don't like Christmas, but I felt like I had to share this. Let's give it a moment because how nice is it? You can't get much more Christmassy than that. I thought I had to buy it early because they will sell out quick. Next question is, what's your favourite memory of this year? Favourite memory from this year is probably going on holiday for the first time again. Mine and Alex's first holiday. It felt surreal because obviously we hadn't been in such a long time. Stress we went through to go to Portugal. The holiday was like so needed after that. If you're not aware of the stress that I went through for that holiday, then please watch the holiday glow up vlog, video, whatever it's called, I don't know. I'll link it down below. Honestly, we had the worst luck ever. Well, they're extremely uneven, that's embarrassing. Next question is, what's your favourite haul that you've ever done? This is a very hard question, and obviously you all know hauls are my favourite video to film, so I filmed a lot of them. If I had to pick, I'd probably say my Missy Empire hauls. I've done 2. Yeah, I did 2 and 1 gym one. 2 that I've done, I really like them. They always pull through with like the best clothes, so I really like things I got in them hauls. And Shein summer hauls, love them as well. My festival video actually went really well. Glad that helped some of you. I was going to actually talk you through my makeup, but my makeup really isn't that complicated. I need to talk you through it. Also, it's really warm today, so I have no idea what to wear. A meltdown may be due. I haven't primed my face. Shit. My neck is like 4 different colours. I might have to wear a high neck top today. The next question is, how long have you been influencing for? And when I say influencing, I mean influencing because I'm not an influencer. I've got a very small following. I've been doing YouTube since March last year. Yes, I actually started like at the very start of lockdown. It was something that I've been wanting to do for absolute ages, and I thought in lockdown there was literally no better time. Like, I'm so glad I did it. By the time we was out of lockdown, everyone had kind of got used to me doing it, so there was like no strange comments from people. Why does my face look yellow? Yeah, and I really felt like in lockdown I could put all of my effort into it. I can't believe I forgot to put primer on. What an idiot. If you don't already know, I used to do YouTube like years ago, about 5 years ago, but that was when I was still at school. I weren't ready for people to find out back then. Where do you get outfit inspiration from? Mainly TikTok, to be honest. I watch loads of hauls as well, but I also kind of just follow my own thing and see what's new in at shops. The great thing about doing YouTube is I can literally experiment with so many clothes because I have an excuse, because obviously the excuse is that it's for a YouTube video. It gives buying clothes a great excuse for my strange shopping addiction, because it's really bad. Also, if you watched my Zara haul, I cannot tell you how annoyed I am with the sizing of all of that stuff. It did make me feel a bit better that after I uploaded that, I seen a TikTok, or you've probably seen it because I think it went viral, of a girl trying on some leather trousers, and they literally fit her, like, so the jeans fit me in my last video. So I definitely felt better because of that. I thought, well, it's just not me then lying to myself about what size I am. Zara, if you're watching, I bet you are. You need to fix up your sizing, loves, because it's actually atrocious. I've had multiple meltdowns about them jeans because what the actual hell. I can't speak, what is wrong with me? Diet/workout routine. Honey, I don't know why you've asked me this question because it isn't great. I don't have much of a routine, to be honest. Go to the gym 3 times a week. Basically do whatever I feel like because I've kind of lost motivation for it at the moment. I'm just sick of going and not being able to go that many times to make a difference, if you know what I mean. So I like my food too much. I'm way too sociable to get muscles, clearly. So, and then every day of the week I will always calorie count. It normally is just an estimate because I can't be bothered to weigh my food anymore. Because I did used to weigh my food anyway, I do have a rough idea. I don't track to like eat the same calories every single day. Like, if I am hungrier or someone offers me cake, then I won't say no. Really, I'm just living my best life. That's what I'm gonna say. Here for a good time, not a long time, so I'm not following any strict diets. Just eat in moderation, I guess. I was gonna start doing like what I eat in a day videos, but when I watch other people's, I always think, how no am I filming one of them, because I literally eat the least aesthetic foods throughout the day. I think I'd get ripped to shreds. Like, here's my breakfast, Cocoa Pops. Here's my lunch, beans on toast. Obviously it's not that every day, but it would be pretty embarrassing if I started filming what I eat. I've got a very standard basic diet, so I will not be showing you my diet or workout videos anytime soon. I'm looking extremely sweaty today. This ring is like really digging in. Oh, it is. Look at the mark it's made. Anyone have this Holly Bloom powder will know, like, look how much has come to the top. It is so annoying. It literally goes everywhere. The amount of product I've wasted from this because the thing just, I can't explain it. Anyway, ignore me. Question for the fellow YouTubers as well out there. How the hell do you find the confidence to vlog in public? Yeah, so I tried to film a vlog the other day and I sat in the car park to film like a mini what I got from Asda haul. There was one car in the car park and the man was sat in his car. and I was so paranoid thinking that he was watching like everything that I was doing. So I sat there for a good 20 minutes thinking, oh, he'll go in a minute, and he didn't. So I was like, right, well, not filming a vlog then. So I literally got like 5 minutes of vlog footage. That is like the worst vlog ever. So if you've got any tips on how to stop caring about other people looking at you, like I watch videos, I just don't get how people do it. It's so embarrassing. It's just not something you see ever. I don't know. I get it as well because like if I seen someone vlogging in public, I'd probably look at them as well, just intrigued, but I can't do it. I feel like I'm doing my makeup in such a strange order. Next question is, what's your favourite makeup brand and product? Favourite makeup brand? I feel like brands are good for different things. If I had to pick one, I'd probably choose like Urban Decay. Concealers, eyeshadows, foundations and stuff are really, really good. So if I had to choose one for the rest of my life, it might be that or Morphe. Morphe are all round great, and obviously they're a lot more affordable as well. Their lipsticks are so nice. They've replaced my MAC one. That's a big statement. Someone has asked what's your goal for subscribers, and honestly, hand on heart, I don't even have a goal. I don't have that like set number in my head where I'm like, oh, I'll be happy when I reach this amount, which I think is probably a good thing because I feel like getting subscribers is very hard nowadays. Like it's hard to stand out on YouTube, so it's a good job I just do it for a passion. Yes, I don't really have a goal. That's a boring answer, isn't it? Someone has asked, would you go travelling? I would love to go travelling properly where I stay there for a few months and go to the next place, but it's just hard when I'm supposed to be saving to move out. Yeah, I just think it's really hard when you're trying to save to move out. Like it would be all of my savings just gone, as much as I wish I did it, but then it's also a career thing as well. Nevertheless, I'm definitely happy with the places that I've been already and the places that I'm gonna go. I still have a big list on where I'd like to travel, so travelling is a priority before I have children, let's just say that. The list is too long and the places I want to go wouldn't really bring a child there, so the child's gonna have to wait. I don't want a kid yet. I forgot to say, my hair literally looks like I'm about 12 years old. Why have I put lipstick on when I haven't got my hair done yet? What the hell? Right, I'm gonna quickly get ready and then I'll come back down and do my hair, then I'll show my outfit when I'm ready to go. So yeah, I'm gonna have a quick clear up because this is a mess. Right, time to do the hair. I'm actually running late, so that's lots of fun. Also, I hope this jacket stays on that I'm gonna wear. I don't even like the jacket, don't like the outfit, but I'm running late, so it will have to do. Curling your hair is literally the worst task in the world. You may have seen the story I put on like a week ago where I showed you like a little insight of the emails I get as a small YouTuber. So I actually had an email the other day, pretty sure it was legit, from a company asking me to give a how-to and a review on their boob mask. Boob mask, that's correct. I said boob mask. Like, how do they think I can do that on YouTube without it being taken straight back down or me being banned? I'm not too sure. The way the email was worded, it sounded like they wanted me to test it and film it, so that was extremely weird. They have sent me about 4 emails since trying to get me to review their boob mask. I get them all the time. Like, most emails are pretty normal, but you do get the odd few where you're like, what the hell? I had an email the other day asking from someone in New Zealand asking if I could sell him my bag from HomeSense, because apparently he collected plastic bags. That might be normal over there, but here we don't collect them. We collect them, but not like for entertainment purposes. It's to save our 5p's. Literally using this camera as a mirror, so I don't even know how it's going to turn out, but it's going to have to do at this point. Also, I'm going to change my jeans because, you know, when jeans are freshly washed, they're the most uncomfortable things in the world. Right, I'll carry on doing this and I'll check back. I feel like a bit of an emo on top, don't I? So here's the final look. Hair is curled and brushed out. It will look better later, I promise. This is the top. It's from ASOS. Oh, I forgot to put bra on. Never mind. Right, so ignore the dirty mirror for starters. So here's the outfit. Oh my god, the bed as well. Here's the outfit in full shebang. Oh, you can see the extension lead, that's lovely. I look really sweaty. Anyways, that is my come get ready with me. Really hope you enjoyed it. Probably a bit of a mess, pretty realistic seeing as I stress at every time I get ready. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Please like, subscribe, comment, all of that, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.